Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Spring Day Grape Black Tea in Heartopia game festival event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to have the Spring Day Fruit Black Tea recipe. You can get it from Massimo's cooking store. Once you have the recipe, you're going to use it to make or to unlock this Spring Day Grape Black Tea. And I'm going to use this popcorn serving cart to make the Dreamlight Cinematic Festival food. And one of them is the Spring Day Fruit Black Tea. Okay, we can use the original one and we're going to replace the fruit with grape like this. And hold on. Okay guys, still cooking. Don't forget to adjust the heat level to avoid bizarre brewing. Okay, one more time. Okay, done. And I've just unlocked the Spring Day Grape Black Tea. Okay guys, and that's how you can make the Spring Day Grape Black Tea and Heartopia game Dreamlight Cinematics Festival update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.